They say that people change as the years go by, but looking at us, I realize that some things are meant to stay exactly as they were. Our journey started in those crowded school hallways, sharing strawberry cakes and dreaming about a future that seemed so far away. Back then, our biggest worry was a school assignment. Today, the world is much bigger, the responsibilities are heavier, and the drives are longer. But your seat beside me hasn't changed. From the innocence of our school uniforms to the messy, beautiful reality of being adult, we've shared it all. We've laughed until we cried, sat in comfortable silences, and supported each other through every first and every last. This isn't just a friendship. It's a lifetime of memories woven together. No matter where life takes us next, I know one thing for sure. I don't have to walk the path alone as long as I have you by my side. Here's to the years we've spent and the forever we have yet to see.
It's only fair that I should let you know what you should know.